Hi guys and welcome to our physics series. Today we have November 2019, paper 22, question 23. The ray of light is incident on a plane mirror. A student measures the angle of incidence I and the angle of reflection R. And the incident light ray now makes an angle of incidence with the normal, and the reflected light ray as well makes an angle of reflection, symbolized by the letter R, with the normal. The student varies the angle of incidence and then plots a graph of R against I. What does the graph look like? To answer the question, you have to vary both angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So firstly, as shown in front of you, the mirror has a reflected surface, and according to the law of reflection, the angle of incidence must be equal to the angle of reflection, and we have started from 0 as an angle of incidence, and the angle of reflection is 0 as well. So we have to go to 10, so the angle now which is between the incident light ray and the normal is 10, and the angle between the reflected light ray with the normal is 10 as well. So slightly change, 20 and 20, 30 and 30, 40 and 40, 50 and 50, so and 70, 70 and 80 and 80. As noticed that the increase in the angle of incidence with the increase in the angle of reflection is constantly changed. According to the previous illustration, the increase or the change in the angle of reflection is constantly or steadily changed with the increase in the angle of incidence. So there is a straight line passing through the origin. So the correct answer, which is C.